children, today we are going to have a puppet show. Do you know? Let us enjoy the session. Now, there was a crow. It was very hungry. It was moving here and there. It could not find any food to eat. It was moving here and there. Caw, caw. Suddenly, it found a piece of cheese. Wow! The crow found the piece of cheese. Wow! Now, the crow was very happy to have a piece of cheese. It was very happily it sat under a tree. It thought of eating the sweet cheese. There came a fox. The fox was moving here and there for its food, but could not find any food. It was moving here and there. Suddenly it saw a crow with a piece of cheese in its mouth. The cunning fox started coming near to the crow. It started praising the crow. It started praising. Now, it started like, "Oh crow, you look so beautiful. Your feathers are very black, shiny feathers. You look so sweet. Wow! When you are so sweet, how your voice might be? It might be more than sweeter than you. Can you sing a song for me?" Oh, the foolish crow was very happy to have the compliment from the fox. The foolish crow did not understand what the fox meant. The foolish crow started singing the song. How? Suddenly, the piece of cheese fell from its mouth, and the fox grabbed the cheese in its mouth. Children, see, the crow was crowing, "Cow, cow." It could not find, he lost his cheese. The fox has gained the cheese. The fox was very happy. It said, "The foolish crow, you should never be flattered with anyone's words." So children, the moral of the story is, never come flattered on any other's words. See, foolish people will lose, whereas the cunning people, they will gain. Thank you.